Super excited. We are currently taking delivery of the new car. We're here to reveal it, and yeah, time to unload it. Just unload it real quick. Oh no. Hit my neighbor's bush, man. Pretty sure that thing has ramps on it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
Bro.
Maybe not. It doesn't. It's fine. It's fine. It's the next day, and finally, we're taking a look at the new car. I was just too excited. I knew that if I had something this beautiful and I were to take it out, I'd probably do something reckless and end up messing it up, and we don't want to do that. I'm telling you, these things are the best it gets. It has really good suspension, really clean wiring. Hold on, let me just tuck that back where it's supposed to go. Let's go on a test drive. Yeah. Smells good. It's not moving. It's not moving at all. I have it in drive right now.
Off the hood though.
Dude, you got to inspect cars before you just bring them to me, because I'm paying good money. The transmission slipped out, man. Dude, I was excited about this thing. Here, grab the sand. For sure, I think the transmission fluid is just low, so let's just fill it up. Here, let me get something to push it in a little more.
Yeah, right there. Use the stick from the oil.
Yeah, there you go. Now it's going in. Yeah, that's the thing. I don't know why they don't sell this stuff in the automotive section. And like AutoZone O'Reilly's didn't have sand, which is super unusual. How much do you think is enough?
I think the whole bag.
All right, let's see. That should have done it. No gears work, dude. Whoa! Dude! You didn't tell me this thing had a backup camera. Look at that. You can see like the Evo. That's nice. I hate those things. Well, we still need to take it on a drive. Maybe this is a transmission fluid all along. Because it has like a tube on it. It goes that way, and I think this is... Or wait, is this this is the transmission? Well, no, we're gonna drive it still. We're gonna make it drive, it's gonna drive, and it's gonna be a good car. By the time we come out, it'll be good to go. This motor's super strong. It withstanded what we've been throwing at it. It won't close. I'm trying to look at it. Here, no, I'm trying to look at the geometry, the symmetries. We got to do some quick math right now, boys. It's not adding up, because look, this thing goes in there.
Wait.
And then it's...
Oh, that's good. Nice.
Spin it around, maybe it'll go in. Get a nice, yeah, there you go. Yeah, and now it's twisted, it should line up. Kind of wrong. No, I do body work. I know what I'm doing. I buy and sell cars, and I have to do a lot of body work, so. This is not the end result, so don't think we're just destroying this thing. Maybe we have to twist it back.
Yeah.
This way. Yo, careful, dude, my windshield. Okay. It needs to...
Oh, how are you going to sell it now?
I think that's good. And if this doesn't work, I don't understand.
Yo, it worked.
Okay, let's go. Dude, this thing's actually driving pretty smooth. It's not bad at all. Alignment's pretty good. We're going 30 miles an hour, and this thing's driving smooth. It's not bad. It's really not bad at all. Okay, we'll just leave it in R for race mode. And the cracks in the screen resembles the person who got gapped, their broken heart. I don't have a broken heart, not me. I could. That's getting spicy in here. Oh man, I think there's like
Broken glass?
yeah, I think the broken glass is like, oh, it's like chili pepper. I don't miss her. I don't. This thing's kind of fast. Pick it up. Let's pick it up. All right, let's take it out of race mode, man. Oh yeah. Yeah, you like that? Oh! 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 It still works. It still works. Oh shit. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. I love how the previous owner has everything so custom. Check out the custom dash this thing has. And then we have the phone. This thing holds your phone. And you can see, well, the top part popped off, but this part's really sturdy. Then we have a note. What does it say? I will be here some afternoon to move car. Thank you. He lied. He lied because now I own this. I should call her. Give me my phone. I want to call her. Oh, nothing. I just, something reminded me of you. Just started missing you. No, I wasn't stirring macaroni this time. Oh no, it wasn't. I wasn't at Arby's. That didn't remind me of you this time. Okay, it was. I'll be honest. It was this Vaseline tube, and it just. I don't litter. Tweakers live here. They'll pick it up. Go to the good old tweaker compound. All right, so we're on our way to Blended. This is where we belong. We fit in. We fit in really good here. Where are my homies leaving? Where are you guys dipping? Hey, you were gonna ask her, where's the fentanyl? Where's that Fenty? Where you get? You need to make an indentation so we can do a nice little burnout. Ow, ow. Thing hurt my foot, man. I'm not happy about it. I know it's about to happen. Before we proceed, I think I should actually just try to maybe flush the fluid out. Hey, because what if it just needs a fluid flush? We put new fluid in it and maybe the trends will be good. So let's try that first before we just destroy it. Oh, dude, there's no fluid in it. That's the problem. Wait, one sec. Okay, continue. Does anyone have some ibuprofen? Because sometimes I go out at night of drinking and I wake up and I feel terrible. I'm not functional. So maybe just give it an ibuprofen, a Red Bull. We do have this orange vanilla cream protein shake. Just let it suck it up. Let it suck it up. Hold on, wait. Need to recoup some of my money. It's so weird doing this to my own car. I need more extensions and I lost. Oh! Oh! I think we found the problem with the transmission. Right there? Oh wait, no. That's the oil pan. That's the transmission. It looks like it got cream pied. I should call her. I gotta call you. Where's my phone? You have my phone? Dude, what the heck?
Bro, not the radiator. Oh no, that's your washer fluid.
Okay, thank God. I thought it was the radiator for a second. I've never seen that one before. It's completely full all the way to the top.
like this.
Toyota Corolla is the most reliable vehicle of all time. This is a B16 with the dual swap 3-spoon engine. Yeah. You know how we do it out here. Let's check for some blow by. It's running a little rough. Let me fix that. More branches. I'm gonna tell you when. You're gonna start redlining it, and it's gonna work the sand into the engine, and it's gonna fix it all up. Because this thing's getting blow by. Look, now I gotta do a transmission swap and a motor swap. Frustrating because like I do so many motor swaps a year. It's hard work. I need help. Yeah. That's too heavy. That's good, that's good. Okay. The thing about an engine swap is people overcomplicate it. They think that, oh, gotta do everything the most conventional way. No, that's boring. That was a 2-for-1 deal. It bounced off the seat and broke this one too and then landed perfectly in the back seat. Good to go for a ride. I don't want anybody trying to recreate what we're doing today because I'm a professional and I am in the supervision of professionals. Dap me up, we're beefing. We didn't want to leave the barrier. We didn't want to hurt the barrier. The barrier, we're trying to put it back. Dude, Toyota Corolla is the most durable vehicle of all time. Literally all of the motor mounts are disconnected. We cut this is all cut. It's all cut. And it won't come out. That's how tough Toyota is built. Ain't no way. Buy a Toyota Corolla, you will not be disappointed, I'll tell you what.